In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Miro. Miro is a versatile online collaborative whiteboard platform, perfect for organizing ideas, planning projects, and in our case today, creating timelines. Whether you're managing a project or laying out the history of a concept, creating a timeline can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and see how you can do this efficiently. First, let's start by accessing the Miro dashboard. Once there, you'll find yourself at the Boards section of your team. This is your starting point for accessing all your current projects and creating new ones. Navigate to the dashboard by opening your web browser and going to Miro's homepage. If you're not logged in, make sure you have your credentials handy to sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to choose a board. Click on the board you'd like to work with. Selecting the right board is crucial, as this is where you'll design your timeline. If you don't have a board set up already, you may want to start by creating a new one, ensuring it's tailored to accommodate your specific needs, whether that's for a marketing campaign, a product development timeline, or an educational project. Now it's time to add the timeline. Look for the plus button or tool menu, usually located on the left side of your screen, and give it a click. This opens up a variety of features and tools available within Miro. Scroll through these options until you find Timeline. Timelines are a fantastic tool in Miro that allow you to structure your data chronologically, giving you a visual representation of events, milestones, or tasks over a defined period. Once you've located the Timeline tool, click on it and then move to your canvas. You'll want to look for a suitable spot on your board to place the timeline. Click once on an empty space on your canvas, and the timeline template should appear. This is where your creativity comes into play. This timeline is interactive and customizable, so feel free to adjust the size, layout, and color schemes to suit the theme of your project. You can add dates, text, milestones, and even attach images or links. Use these features to add the necessary context or information for each point in your timeline. Remember, the key to a good timeline is clarity and organization. Carefully arrange your events in a sequence that is logical and easy to follow. Regularly refer back to your objectives to ensure your timeline is aligned with your project goals. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create a clear and engaging timeline using Miro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take the time to explore additional Miro features as you become more comfortable with the platform. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.